Did you know your Windows PC is hiding some truly powerful features that most people never even use? Today I am going to show you 5 advanced built-in tools you can unlock right now to make your computer smarter and more productive. These are all built-in, free and make your Windows 10 and 11 experience way better. So let's dive in. Sometimes you need total focus. This stops annoying notifications so you can work or game without interruptions. You control when you are disturbed. Focus Assist is Windows built-in Do Not Disturb mode that blocks notification when you need to focus. So first go to Settings. Then go to System. After that click on Focus. Here you will see options like Show Timer in Clock app to track focus time. Hide badges and flashing on taskbar apps for fewer distractions. Turn on Do Not Disturb to block all notifications. Just pick what you need to keep your work smooth and interruption free. It stops annoying pop-ups during important work. Want pro-level tools built in? PowerToys helps you work smarter with easy window layouts, bulk remaining and more. If you have never tried PowerToys, you are missing out. Let me quickly show you how to get started. First, download it from Microsoft Store or GitHub. It's Microsoft's own tool, so it's totally safe. Open it. And you will see a list of tools on the site. You can turn each one on or off with a click. For example, Fancy Zones lets you snap windows into custom layouts. Super handy for multitasking. Power Rename bulk renames tons of files at once. Image Resizer adds a right-click option to instantly resize photos. Color Picker grabs any color code on your screen. Once you set it up, it just runs in the background. You can tweak shortcuts and settings anytime. It's honestly one of the easiest way to make Windows way more powerful. So give it a try. Sometimes you need to do a lot at once. This lets you run multiple command lines side by side in one organized window. So first go to Windows Start and type Windows Terminal. Click on it. Click Alt plus Shift plus D for horizontal split. And click Alt plus Shift and plus for vertical split. Now you can run multiple command lines side by side in one window. Sometimes we might not catch everything that's being said. With live captions, we can see subtitles for any audio on our PC. So just go to Settings. Then click on Accessibility. Now click on Captions. And turn on live captions. It works everywhere. Videos, calls, streams, anything with sound. You can even customize the font and color to make it easy to read. It's super handy if you are in a noisy place or just don't want to miss anything people say on screen. Sometimes you want to go hands-free. Voice access lets you control your entire PC just by talking. So go to Settings. Then click on Accessibility. Now click on Speech. Here, you will see the voice access switch and options to start it before or after sign-in. Pick what you prefer. Now you will see a message asking if you want to continue and set up voice access. Just click Yes, Continue to move ahead with the setup. As you can see, it's asking for microphone access. Just allow it so voice access can hear your commands clearly. If you see microphone access denied, don't worry. Just go to privacy and security. Then go to microphone and make sure all microphone permissions are turned on. This lets you control everything smoothly using just your voice. It works system-wide for real hand-free control. Complete hands-free control makes your PC easier for everyone to use. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy Windows tips and tricks. Thank you. Thanks for watching.